Let's talk about the dual cameras, 360 with solar powered. Yes, let's get into it. Look at that. The dual camera right here, you've got a 8K hybrid zoom and a 3K wide angle lens. And speaking of wide lens, let's not forget the coverage. This is a 360 motor, 360. So you will never miss single angle. And on top of the actual 360 degrees that it does, it also can tilt down and up. So really, you can follow someone, you can zoom in 8 to really make sure, okay, who is that person? Is that person supposed to be here? All with that little camera. But wait, we are not done because this thing is powered by the sun. Can you believe it? This little solar panel will make sure that this camera is always on. Comes with all the hardware, all the connections, everything you need to get started, provided you connected to a home base that you already own. And going back on that solar power thing, the internal battery, let's say it's rainy and you're not getting any power from your solar panel. This internal battery can last up to 3 months. So there are no more excuses. Highly recommend this beautiful 360 camera by Eufy.